Good morning, class. How is everyone? Oh, I'm also blessed. Happy to see you again. Let's all stand and do some activity before we start today's work. Mathematics time, activity time. That's better. I like it. Now, let's say this rhyme before we start. 1 and 1 are two little soldiers. 2 and 1 are three little soldiers. 3 and 1 are four little soldiers. 4 little soldiers. March, march, march. 4 and 1 are 5 little soldiers. 5 and 1 are 6 little soldiers. 6 and 1 are 7 little soldiers. 7 little soldiers. March, march, march. 7 and 1 are 8 little soldiers. 8 and 1 are 9 little soldiers. 9 and 1 are 10 little soldiers. 10 little soldiers. March, march, march. Good, you've done it well. Now sit down. You have some materials on your tables. Don't touch them. Today, our topic is counting. We're going to learn how to count. We counted in KG2, but you know how to count well in class 1, how to add on. So we are going to count from 0 to 50. By the end of the period, at least everybody should be able to count from 0 to 50. Are you ready? Good. Now, what do I have in my hand? A basket. Good. A basket. Now, let's look at the basket and tell me, what do I have in? Is there anything in the basket? Okay, there's nothing. So if there is nothing, let's look on the board. If there's nothing in my basket, I write a 0. Have you seen that? Okay. Now look at it. This is the basket. There's nothing, so I wrote 0. Now I put the pen in the basket. So how many pens do I have in the basket? Yeah, 1. I have 1. I have 1. Okay? Now, what's this again? Another pen. Now, if I add this 1 to this in the basket, how many pens do I have in the basket? Look at it. How many pens do I have in the basket? 2. Good. I have 2. No, don't count for me. I'm adding. I add before we count. Have you seen? So when I add this, I've added what? Another pen. So how many pens do I have? Let's all count and see. 1, 2, 3. Good. So I have 3 pens in the basket. I'm adding another 1. So how many pens do we get? 4. Now, take the counters on your table. Take the counters on your table. Yes. You also count 4 pebbles. Count 4 pebbles from your set. Good. Add another 1 to the 4th pebble. You have 4 pebbles. Add another 1. How many pebbles did you get? 5. Okay. Now we continue to add another one. When we add on 1, we get how many pebbles? 6. Good. When we continue to add on another, so we get 7. So now let's look at this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18. Okay. Continue. 19. 20. Good. Now, we are going to continue adding on 1. So from 20, when you add 1, what will you get? Add it on your table and then tell me. Yes, 21. Continue. 22. The next. 23. You girl, you are fast. Okay. 24. Continue. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Now add your last one and you get what? 30. Good. Clap for yourselves. You've done well. Now we are going to look on the board and then see how we count. Now we have our numbers here. Have you seen? We have the numbers here. When we say there's nothing, it's 0. On this chart, we didn't bring the 0. But when I have the 1, we count. Let's all count. 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11, 12. You girl. 13. Good. 13. 14. Let's all say 14. 15. 16. 16. Good. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. Good. Let's continue. 29. 30. Good. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Good. Now, we've counted from 1 to 50. Are you ready? I've covered a number. What number have I covered? Yes, 49. Good. 49. 49. Now, when I move 1, 2, I miss, and then step on 4. What number did I miss? I went 1, 2, then 4. What number did I miss? Yes, 3. Good. I missed 3. I missed 3. Now, who can read this number for me? Who can read this number for me? Yes. Try. 39. Good. You've done well. 39. What about this number? What about this number? Yes, you boy. 30. Good. 30. Are you ready? What number is this? What number is this? 14. 14. This is what? Can you read this for me? Can you read this for me? 28. Good. You've done well. We're going to read again, this time with a little speed. Then I show you the next work to do. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Good. You've done well. Now, I want one person to count from 1 to 20 for me. 1 to 20. 5. Continue. 10. Good. Continue. 15. Good. You've done well. You've done well. Now, we're going to look at this chart for our work we're going to look at this chart. I've written some numbers because we've counted. You're going to count and then find the missing numbers from the chart. Let's look at this chart. Have you seen my chart? That's what the exercise we are going to do in our exercise books. So we have 0 to 9. The first box is 0. There's an empty box, 2. Box, 5, 6, box, 9. Have you seen? So that's how you're going to do it. We're going to fill the empty spaces. Whilst you count, you know the missing number, and then you do that. The next one is from 10. 10, empty box, 13. What number is missing here? 15, 16, 3 boxes, then we fill that. Are you okay? Okay, so we're going to complete this counting forward by ones up to 50. We just read through our 50. We counted using our counters and bottle tops and everything. So we're going to do this work, filling in the blanks with the correct numbers in our exercise books. Are you okay? Good. Now, when we finish with the exercises, when we have finished, we are done with the exercises, we're going to take some homework. Now, for the day's homework, children, gently take your homework books, start writing from 1 to 50. We start writing from 1 to 50 neatly at home, and then you bring it to school the next day. Any problem, any questions to be asked? Are you okay? Can you do that? Good. I'm happy that you've responded well. Now, children, we come to the end of our lesson. Hope to see you tomorrow to continue with our work. Bye-bye.